welcome back to Bihar Geek. So today we are going to solve a very interesting problem, that is house robber. Okay. So here the problem statement says that you are a professional robber planning to rob a house along a street. Okay, and each house has a certain amount of money. Okay, inside that, and the constraint here, which is that we can rob that the adjacent house only, because they have a security that is connected to other. If we are going to rob like one and two together, in that case the security alarm will be happen, and we are not able to do that. Okay, so we have to like figure out that how we are just get a maximum amount of money we can rob tonight, and we have to rob it alternative houses. Okay, so the problem, like this input shows that 1 2 3 1. So here if we are start with the first house and we rob another third, so 3 plus 1 it will be 4 only. And if we start with the second house and we will do it and we do the sum up of that, so in that case it will be only 3. So we have to rob the maximum ones, that's why it's 4 only. Same with that, if we start with 2 9 and 1, in that case we will get a 12. But if we start with 7 and then after we have to rob the third one, so 7 plus 3, that is equal to 10 only. So that will be the minimal value. Okay, so this in this way we have to rob the maximum amount. So we'll start with the brute force solution, and in the solution we will use the concept of recursion only. Okay, so we will use return, and we'll make our one more method over here. We will keep name rob from where we will have an array. So starting index will be 0, and we'll start with the array. Okay, and we'll return that the maximum amount from here. And let me like write it. So private int, the method name, and it will be the starting point I, and our array. Its name nums only. Fine. Now we have to put a base condition first, that if I is greater or equal to the length, so we just simply return 0 from here. Nums.length. So we will return 0 from here. Okay. Now, what is happened? We have to rob the current house and we have to skip the next house. So in that case, we will keep int rob, will keep this variable, and inside this nums I will be there, and plus we have to rob the another house, so we'll keep rob. Okay, and inside this we have to skip the next house, so we'll keep I plus 2 here, sorry, 2 here, and after that we have to put the array here. Fine. And then we have to skip the current house in that case. So in that case we will int skip equal to rob the house, and here it will be I plus 1, and again we will keep the array inside it. Okay, and after that what we have to do, we just need to get a maximum thing. So max dot max, and inside this we'll keep that rob value and the skip value. Whatever be the greater one, we will return that value from here. Let me run this. Okay, it's got accepted. Let me submit this. And it's a brute force solution, so the time complexity, if we talk about this, it will be 2 to the power n. That's why it's time exceeded for this case. So we have to use a more optimized way. So we will use a concept of DP here. Okay, so let me rub this, and we'll start again to code the optimize. And if you talk about the solution now, so the time complexity is 2 to the power n. Okay, and if you talk about the space complexity, in that case it's O of n only. Okay, That's why we have to use a more optimized concept. So we'll use the DP concept here. So I've removed that code. Let me close this bracket. And inside this, first we have to put a base condition. So base condition will be if nums dot gth length will be if exactly equal to 0. In that case, we just simply return 0 from here. Or if the length is exactly equal to 1, nums dot ngth. So we just simply return that value because we have only one option to rob that house. So return nums and we'll return that array value from here. Otherwise, we need vanilla. So we'll make a array of dp, and here it will equal to new int, and we'll keep the new int, and we'll keep the same size of gth length. Okay. Now in dp0, it will be, that the value will be nums 0, okay, equal to, and for the dp1 it will be equal to the maximum value we will get, either the zeroth index or either the first index, because we can rob only alternative houses only. So it will be nums 0 or nums 1. So whatever the max, we will keep it. Okay. Otherwise, if the array length is more than the 2, in that case, we have already take care of this 0 and 1. After that, we have to keep the loop from 2, and I will be less than the nums dot gth and I plus plus. Okay. So dp I will be equal to math dot max. So we'll keep that value inside it. Fine. And inside this we'll keep I. Okay. uh, Keep I plus, let me keep it here, dp I minus 2. Okay. And for this case we'll keep dp I minus 1 for this case. Okay. And after that we just simply return that dp length minus 1, nums dot length minus 1 from here. This is done. Let me run this code. Cannot find the symbol where length. Again length. Okay, it's got accepted. Let me submit this. Okay, it's got accepted also. Fine. So if you talk about the time complexity for this case, so it's only O of n only because of this loop. Okay. And if we talk about the space complexity, is O of n only because we are using this. Okay. So this is a more optimized and better solution than that which we have used the recursion concept, where we getting the complexity of to the power n only. Okay. So hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.